Cook County Emergency Management Agency are advising all residents who are currently in their shelters to continue to remain in their shelters. Cleanup crews are actively working to clear debris caused by the tornado that struck downtown Chicago this afternoon. At this time, it is critical that individuals stay in their shelters to allow emergency services to operate effectively and safely. Emergency services are currently overwhelmed and may not be able to respond to any non-life-threatening requests immediately. Remain indoors, away from damaged structures and hazardous areas until further notice. If you are relocating, remember to bring essentials such as medications, identification, and any necessary supplies.